Good morning and Jai Hind students. So in the previous video we discussed about Einstein's mass energy relation. We also discussed about mass defect and binding energy as well. So in this video we will discuss some features of Meson theory. That is very important to describe the features of nuclear forces. So let's start with the nuclear forces. What are nuclear forces? These are the forces between proton-proton, proton-neutron or neutron-deuteron in the nucleus. They can be explained by Meson theory. There are three kinds of mesons: positive meson, pi positive; negative meson, pi negative; and neutral, pi 0. Pi positive and pi negative are 273 times heavier than an electron, whereas pi 0 is 264 times heavier than an electron. Nucleons means protons and neutrons are surrounded by mesons. So here are the main points about the Meson theory. So first point is there is a continuous exchange of mesons between one nucleon and the other. They are not stable, they are not stationary, they are constantly exchanging the meson with each other. They give rise to exchange forces between them and keep them bound. Second point is within the nucleus a neutron is never permanently a neutron. Proton is never permanently a proton. They keep on changing into each other due to exchange of pi meson. For example, neutron forces rise due to pi 0 meson between the neutron. For example, neutron changes to neutron plus pi 0 meson of pi 0. Similarly, any other neutron may absorb this and may change into neutron. For proton rise to also same exchange of pi 0. That is, proton changes to proton plus pi 0. Proton absorbs pi 0 and changes to proton. Now the next is a neutron proton forces rise due to exchange of pi plus and pi negative mesons between the nucleons. For example, neutron changes to proton. As we know, neutron has a zero charge and proton has a positive charge. To neutralize it, as we know, charge is always conserved in a chemical reaction. To make it conserved, here the another particle called pi negative will be emitted, and for neutron it may absorb pi positive and may change to proton. Another reaction is proton changes to neutron and with the emission of pi positive. This pi positive carries the positive charge of proton and neutron is neutral. Similarly, proton absorbs pi negative to form a neutron. The time involved in such exchange is so small that the free meson particle cannot be detected as such. So the time between these reactions is so short that it cannot be detected, but actually the main reason behind the nuclear forces is pi mesons. So hopefully you have now the idea how the nuclear forces arise, how proton and neutron get to exchange into each other. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section and also discuss with me personally. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.